Hello everyone, it's day 13 of our Festival Days series. Today we learn about another inspiring celebration filled with meaning and culture. Question 1. Which Sanskrit play by Harsha refers to a lamp festival as Deepa Pratipadotsava? A. Nagananda, B. Priyadarsika, C. Ratnavalli, or D. Mala Vikagni Mitram? The correct option is A. Nagananda. Question 2. Which ancient Purana mentions Sukha Suptika as a night of lighting lamps? A. Garuda Purana, B. Nilamata Purana, C. Shiva Purana, or D. Skanda Purana? The correct option is B. Nilamata Purana. Question 3. What material was traditionally used for gambling games during ancient Diwali? A. Stones, B. Cowrie shells, C. Gold coins, or D. Dried fruits? The correct option is B. Cowrie shells. Question 4. What is another ancient name for Diwali in Kashmir according to texts? A. Bali Pratipada, B. Deepamala, C. Amritotsava, or D. Jyoti Mela? The correct option is B. Deepamala. Question 5. Which king's 10th century copper plate mentions Deepotsava? A. Harshavardhana, B. Krishna III, C. Rajendra Chola, or D. Bhoja? The correct option is B. Krishna III, Rashtrakuta. Question 6. On which day is the Deva Deepavali traditionally celebrated? A. Kartik Amavasya, B. Kartik Purnima, C. Ashwin Purnima, or D. Margashish Purnima? The correct option is B. Kartik Purnima. Question 7. Which goddess is said to be born from Samudra Manthan during Diwali? A. Saraswati, B. Parvati, C. Lakshmi, or D. Durga? The correct option is C. Lakshmi. Question 8. What is worshipped during Govardhan Puja? A. Yamuna, B. Mountains, C. Govardhan Hill, or D. Kamadhenu? The correct option is C. Govardhan Hill. Question 9. Who cursed Narkasura that he would be killed by a woman? A. Satyabhama, B. Bhudevi, C. Lakshmi, or D. Durga? The correct option is B. Bhudevi. Question 10. Which ancient festival day marks the coronation of King Vikramaditya? A. Bali Pratipada, B. Dhanteras, C. Bhai Dooj, or D. Govardhan Puja? The correct option is A. Bali Pratipada. Question 11. Which ritual bath is recommended on Bali Pratipada in Dharma Sindhu? A. Oil bath, B. Cold water bath, C. Ash bath, or D. River bath? The correct option is A. Oil bath. Question 12. Who is believed to visit her brother on Bhai Dooj? A. Draupadi, B. Yamuna, C. Sita, or D. Lakshmi? The correct option is B. Yamuna. Question 13. Which of these is not a traditional ancient Diwali ritual? A. Lighting lamps, B. Gambling with dice, C. Burning demon effigies, or D. Ancestor worship? The correct option is C. Burning demon effigies. Question 14. Which festival involves the offering of a mountain of food? A. Bali Pratipada, B. Annakut, C. Bhai Dooj, or D. Chhat? The correct option is option B. Annakut. Question 15. In some texts, which day marks Krishna's defeat of Narkasura? A. Kartik Amavasya, B. Dhanteras, C. Naraka Chaturdashi, or D. Govardhan Puja? The correct option is C. Naraka Chaturdashi. That wraps up day 13. Hope you enjoyed learning something new. Like, share, and subscribe for tomorrow's festival.